you ever hit that point where you've spot cleaned too many pet messes and you really question how dirty your carpet actually is? Well, that's where I'm at. So I went and got the new BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL, and I am so excited about this because this not only will deep clean my carpets, but it can also clean upholstery, and it has a spot cleaner, so I can use it on stairwells and hard to reach corners. It should do everything. So let me show you what comes in the box. And then you get this accessory bag with all your accessories. The hose is more than 6 feet long, really easy to move around, has really clear clasps on each end. So this will be great for getting stairwells and upholstery and whatever you want to get without having to yank your machine along with you constantly. And then you have this focus sprayer right here and the main spot cleaner. Now here are the simple latches. This is how this will hook on and off. And here's the button on this one, very easy to press. And here's that spot cleaner. It really does just pop right on like that. And then you'll spray, and it'll spray out this nozzle. This can scrub the carpet while this is sucking up the excess. And this is really nice. It actually has a release button on the back, so you can pop this open and get this whole thing really, really clean. That's a new addition from my BISSELL little green machine, which is what I have been using. And I have to say that these get really dirty. So that is a fantastic addition. Now to release the accessory, you simply push the button on the back and it'll pop off. And then I can put on the other one. This is that focus spray, and to spray, you'd simply hold down this button and this will spray out. And then it comes with mini bottles of the BISSELL Antibacterial Pet Stain and Odor Cleaner and their most powerful Max Stain Remover formula. We're getting there. Here's the easy fill water tank. Really easy to just take off the top and fill it up. Great handle to hold on to. And then the top handle is removable. And I finally made it to the machine itself. For the power this thing has, it is a great small size. Now this tank goes on top, which you may not be able to see in the shot, and then the handle is going to hold that in place. I'll show you that in a moment. But before I do, I want to show you what it looks like on the bottom. Really nice wheels. These roll so cleanly. Now here is that bottom. This is where it's really going to scrub and spray and suck up the moisture at the same time, really cleaning your carpet. This is where the magic happens, and it's also pretty simple. And then this tank right here is the one that will get dirty, and you can just pop that right out really easily, and you can see where all the water is going to spray up into it, and it's very easy to drain thanks to this opening right here. And this whole bottom twists off. And then you can actually take the whole thing apart and really clean it. So as this starts to get really gross, you have full control on how clean you keep it. And I love that it has the handle. Now where this goes in, you'll see right here, a lot of debris can build up right here on this little filter. So you will want to clean that every once in a while just with a quick wipe. But super simple, so easy to push in and pull out. And then finally, if you want to use the hose attachment, this is how you'd use it. You just pull this up right here and there's an opening, and then you'll just take this, pop it right in, and you're ready to use the hose attachment. Now let's put it together the rest of the way. Now the rest of it is really quite simple. This is the top handle. It has a spray nozzle right here, which pushes down to tell it to spray, and this just pops right in. And you can always pop it out again too if you want to. But once that's in, you can add this bucket, and this is what you'll fill up with your cleaning fluid, which of course is concentrated, so it's part cleaner, mostly water. And that just sticks on right here. And then you have a really long cord here that you can just attach right on, and it has the quick release, so you spin this to pull it right off. And the final piece of the whole thing is it has a really easy button right here to step on to release the handle. Really, really impressive. A fantastic machine. I highly recommend it.